Hello everyone. We're gonna be working on 2000 Volkswagen Beetle. What we're gonna be doing today is a switch. Okay, so what I done so far, I took off the steering wheel. As you see, steering wheel is right here, and the thing that I did to take it off, it was from the behind. It has a hole in here, and what I used, it was a flat screwdriver, and you put the screwdriver in and then unlock one of the locks that is right on there. I don't know if you see it. It's right between the let's see.
Primero.
Let me-
Ah, pues ya la instalaste, ya no vas a poner las piezas de regreso, ¿eh? O estás grabando, vamos.